Good evening, dear student and teacher. My name is Juan Rodriguez. Group number 253. Teacher Juan Fernando Quevedo Agudelo. April 2022. My layer about deforestation. Y es mi tema de la deforestación. Pues vamos a hablar un poco de la deforestación en inglés y pues las causas de la deforestación. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting or clearing or trees over a large area for the facilitation of human activities. It is a serious environment concern. Size can result in the loss in the beautiful disturbances in the water cycle, damage to natural habitat in the soil erosion. Deforestation is a major contributor to global warming in climate change. Let's see the causes of deforestation. Agriculture. Agriculture trees are cut to provide land for cultivation and agriculture. Housing. Housing people cut trees to provide land for a house, building, and factories. Firewood from trees is burned and used as fuel, cooking, and the other activities. Furniture and paper trees are cut to obtain wood. Wood from the trees is used to make furniture and paper. Natural case. Deforestation has occurred due to natural causes like forest fire, flood, climate change, and drought, which all three stop deforestation hard, harder here some white. Very good body, plant tree, growing more trees is a easy way to hold your planet. Don't print unnecessary. Three about printing and files you are still not sure you really need. Gracias.